Right now there are so many diagnostic tools on the market, it can be overwhelming and really difficult to choose the right one for you, your needs and your vehicle. We've tried and tested hundreds of them and there are a lot of lemons out there, so in this guide we'll help you avoid those lemons and make sure you choose the right scan tool that works for you, your needs, your vehicle and of course your budget. So if you need a tool for a basic airbag or check engine light reset, through to a more complex tool for coding and adaptions, then this guide will help you out. So let's get started. We've got 3 tools out on show, and at the end of this video I'll reveal which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal money, knowing what I know about all of these tools. They are the best selling tools at Diagnostic World, so they all have a good track record and a good reputation for being used on Aston Martin vehicles. Now, starting at this end of the table, we'll start at the cheapest and we'll work our way through to the most expensive, and you'll generally find that as we go through the tools they begin to have more features and functions. So it really depends on what kind of features and functions and resets you're looking to get out of the tool. But if you're still not quite sure about which tool to go for at the end of the video, then I'll pop the email address in the description or on screen there. Send us an email, give us your vehicle information, and we can check for you to see which tool is going to be best for you, your needs, and of course your budget, okay? So links to all of these kits are in the description, and we're starting at this end. This is the Foxwell NT530 Plus, which has been a good tool for Aston Martin owners and Aston Martin vehicles over the last few years. It covers models like the Signet, the DB9, the Vantage, DBS, Rapide and Virage. Now it's very important to know that even though I've mentioned the Vantage there, it's only at the minute the software only goes up to the older style engines. So when they start getting the AMG engines, I think it might be in 2017, 2018, it doesn't yet cover those particular engines, okay? So, and I know the software engineers are working on it, it's just they haven't been able to develop that, but we'll come to that further in the video, okay? So if you do have one of those new Aston Martins, then keep tuned, keep listening. So this is going to cover your main systems, things like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission. It'll do the oil service resets, it'll do lots of live data within the vehicle, it'll do a transmission system bleed, and a few other kind of service functions. It'll do like the rear view mirror function. It doesn't do a great deal of service functions, to be honest, but I think generally the people who are buying these tools, they're kind of maybe doing it to reset an airbag, a check engine light, or reset the oil service warning light. That's generally where this tool kind of comes into its own, okay? But it's a really good package. You can, if you want, add additional manufacturers. And I think it costs about £60 per additional manufacturer. So let's say you've got an Aston Martin Vantage and you've also got a BMW, so you could load on BMW software as well. That's quite easy to do. So that's the NT530 kit. Like I say, good seller for a number of years, very popular with Aston Martin DIYers, okay? So then we come to the Xtool D7. So this tool is going to do pretty much the same as what this tool will do, but this does also cover the Vanquish. This doesn't cover the Vanquish, so again, that's one vehicle that you need to be mindful of. So this tool will cover the Vanquish. It'll do all of your main systems, engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, you name it, but also it also does other manufacturers as well. So if you've got things like I don't know, BMW, Ford, Porsche, Audi, VW, I said that, Volvo, Toyota, Land Rover, whatever it may be, then this is a very good option, because this is going to cover you straight from the box for all manufacturers, and it's just going to basically allow you to diagnose and delve deep into any vehicle. Now, although it only kind of does the same as what this can do for Aston Martin, this goes way deeper for other makes and models as well. So it does things like adaptions, calibrations, on whatever vehicle you plug it into. So things like Mercedes, I mentioned earlier, VW, Audi, etc. So again, this doesn't cover the AMG newer style engines at the moment, but it does additionally cover the Vanquish and obviously other manufacturers as well, okay? So that's the Xtool D7. And then we come to the most expensive tool on the table. I'll cover prices in a moment, but this is the MK908 Pro 2 kit. And this will do everything that all of these tools will do. This is kind of seen as a professional level tool. So if you're wanting the absolute best tool for your Aston Martin, which covers the most amount of functions, systems, data, and also other manufacturers as well. I'll come to that in a second. But importantly, this will do your newer AMG engines. So this will, additionally, it'll do the newer Aston Martin Vantages. It'll also do the DB11 vehicles because they have the newer engines. So if you're kind of looking for a tool for your newer Aston Martin models, then this is the one that you definitely need to go for. But not only that, it covers manufacturers that these tools don't. So this is also, I mean, like I say, this might not even be applicable to you, but let's say you have like a workshop or a garage, or you have high-end cars on your own. Then this will also do the higher end. It'll do McLaren vehicles, a lot of Lamborghinis, it does Teslas, a lot of the higher end Ferraris, which these tools just won't do. So yeah, it is more expensive, as I say though, and it kind of suits somebody who budget isn't an option and they just want the absolute best tool for their vehicle. Maybe a garage or workshop who wants to deal on the Aston Martins, McLarens, Ferrari front, but doesn't necessarily have the tool to do so. This tool will allow you to do that. Okay, it's a fantastic package. I've tried and tested all of these kits on Aston Martins. They do work really well. Price wise, don't hold me to this because obviously prices can fluctuate in business. But at the minute, at the time of making this video, this is £189, this is £415, and this is, you might want to sit down, £1,995. I know it's expensive, we don't set the prices, it's just, it's because it has so much diagnostics on board that, you know, it's just, that's the price you pay for having a good high-end system. So yeah, but I mean, if you're still unsure about which tool to go for, and maybe you want me to clarify if a certain tool works on a certain system or a certain reset, then by all means I'll put the email address in the description below. Send us an email with your vehicle information, what you're looking to do, and we can check for you to make sure the tool is going to be suitable for your needs. I will pop links to all of these kits in the description below, as I said. And yeah, I hope this has helped. Thanks for watching.